Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start the process by confirming the powder-to-water ratio printed on the packet. The common mix is 1:3. Once confirmed, measure water precisely with a cup. Accuracy matters because texture depends on ratio. Pour powder into a clean bowl, then add roughly 1/3 of the water slowly. Stir gently to pre-wet the granules. Make sure to wear gloves if sensitive, and keep pets away. You're establishing the base reaction that creates the fluffy snow texture. Once the slurry forms, you'll activate the material by stirring for 30 to 60 seconds. The granules swell and split, creating volume. If it's too dry, add water in 10% increments. Mix fully between additions because overdilution makes it soggy. For light, airy snow, whisk briskly to incorporate air. For packable snow, fold with a spatula to compress fibers. Make sure to test a small handful. You want cohesion without dripping. This balancing step controls look. You finish by applying the prepared snow where needed, tablescapes, displays, or crafts, and work quickly because surface evaporation changes feel. Once applied, a fan helps set the top layer in 10 to 20 minutes, while deeper sections remain workable. Store leftovers in an airtight container and rehydrate later with small water amounts. If the mix goes gummy, sprinkle dry powder and fold in. If it's too wet, blot with paper. Then chill briefly to firm up. This single troubleshooting tip saves most projects.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.